Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to install Windows using the Apply Image command. First, you need to prepare a Windows ISO file. Right-click on it and select Mount. Go to Sources folder. Find the install.wim file. Copy the file to a location other than the C drive. I will create a folder named 11 on the D drive to copy the file into. Now, hold the Shift key and select Restart to enter the Windows recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Command Prompt. Now I will open Notepad to check the drive letters of the partitions. Select File, Open. I will navigate to the location where I stored the install.wim file. It is in Drive D in the 11 folder. Change Files of Type to All Files so that you can see the install.wim file. Now you need to find your Windows installation partition, right-click on it, and select Format. I will refresh, and this partition has now been formatted. I will now close Notepad and return to the command prompt. I will access Drive D and the 11 folder. Now I will check the index of the editions using the command shown on the screen. It will display all the editions here. Choose the edition you want. I will select the Pro edition, which is index 6. Now I will install Windows onto the C drive using the command on the screen. Now I will need to create a boot entry for Windows using the command on the screen. The command has run successfully. Now I will close the command prompt and click Continue to complete the setup process. The installation is complete, and I will now adjust the screen resolution. I will check the version of the installed Windows. As you can see, I have successfully installed Windows 11 Pro version 25H2. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.